welcome back with Chef Ricardo cooking program again. One more time again, I'm back in the kitchen, guys, but we're not gonna cook. We're gonna simply talk about the Caribbean Cuisine cooking book. Nice book, really good. And the back part is Dunn's River. If anyone didn't know, the back part of this book is Dunn's River. Well, this is my picture at the front. The reason why I did put the picture because a lot of people were saying, Chef Ricardo, I can't find it. There's, there was a misunderstanding, and that's why they use my picture at the front, just to make other people can recognize who I am. So basically, I want to simply say to you, the book was dedicated to my daughter. My daughter is 5-year-old. She don't quite understand certain things, but I dedicated the book for her. And if I sell it even 1 million copy, everything belongs to my daughter. All right. So I have one child I have, and as I said, some people was asking me quite a few questions the other day, and I said the reason why I did this because on my YouTube channel, some people was asking me, why Chef Ricardo, why you don't write a book, and why you don't do this, why you don't do that. So I did just craft up a couple of pages, roughly about 100 pages, and and I said, oh, let's do something that's the fans and can have it. But I want to simply say to you guys that coming 2020 we have the volume 2, which gonna come out towards this, which is gonna probably have about 150 pages. But we're gonna publish that book. I know that probably in Jamaica, but it's gonna be worldwide, international, where people can get it to buy. I want to support my country, and I love Jamaica, and that's where I'm from. So guys, I want to simply say to you, thank you so much. We sell roughly about 6,000 copies of this book. And those 6,000 copies of this book which sold, to be honest, all of it belongs to my 5-year-old daughter. It is for our future. Anything can happen to me, she's there. Alright? So, thank you so much, guys. If you didn't buy any book and you want to support me, support my daughter, thank you so much, guys. I'm just working very hard towards my daughter. I have one child, but I love her and everything is fair. So, and I want to simply say to you, there's a lot of people who support me, and when they support me, I say it's for my daughter. So thank you so much, guys. It's brilliant. I want to say, I just can't explain it. I want to say thank you so much for who brought this cookbook. Everything, it's just for my daughter. It's not me. I did it for her because I always said to myself, I don't want my child to come and struggle like me into this world. I want, to be my daughter be better. So as I said, the book was dedicated for my daughter. So if you didn't buy a copy and you want to support my daughter, you can buy a copy on Amazon, and you can get it shipped to you anywhere in this world you are. You can buy this cookbook. All you need to do is go on Amazon or on the internet, type in Caribbean Cuisine Cookbook, or just type in Chef Ricardo. That's it. And you can see this book, and you can buy this book and support me and my daughter. Thank you so much, guys, for who support me so far. A lot of people keep asking me, oh, can I get the book? The book is on Amazon, guys. Once you go online and you type in my name, Chef Ricardo, I know there's other people in the world named Chef Ricardo, but you will know me. You will know my picture. You see me on YouTube, and I'm there many places, so you will know. And this is the book. You will know this is the book which you're gonna buy. So guys, I want to say thank you so much, and hopefully you'll have a wonderful Christmas and a happy new year when it comes. We're talking about blessing, prosperity for 2016. We're just blessing on top of blessing, guys. Hopefully God will just continue to bless you, guide you, and protect every one of us, because we have into a rough time at the moment. So thank you so much, and I remember the back of the book is Dunn's River. I want to simply say to you, the book, inside of the book, the first page was the Jamaican rum fruit cake, and I was preaching it right from the time this book was published, that get the book, guys, get the book, because the book got the rum fruit cake inside of it, which guide you, tell you how to cook it, what temperature and everything. So that's why I was saying to you guys, get this book. So thank you so much for who brought the book, this Caribbean Cuisine Cookbook, guys. Look at it, beautiful and nice. And I want to say, it's just amazing, Since the time the book been published, since here we sell over roughly about 6,000 copy. So that's really, really good. And you know what I mean, a lot of people give us a good feedback. A lot of people does give us the opinion. So we appreciate everyone and we love everyone, and blessing for everyone, guidance and protection for everyone, and hopefully in the future we can do better. So thank you so much, and have a wonderful new year, and have a wonderful Christmas. You and your family enjoy and celebrate Christmas together. See you next time.